What is going on, my YouTube family? So we are out here. We are on our way to Milwaukee for the Harley-Davidson Homecoming. And I'm super excited. So I'm gonna tell y'all what we're riding up there. Let me show you the bike we're gonna be on. We are taking this street glide from Charlotte all the way to Milwaukee. As you can see, we got her loaded up. I got my bag right there. I got my phone. You know, it's got this cool little compartment that the phone been chilling in too. Just kind of nice. GPS now. Last year it wasn't like wireless, and it's wireless now, which is pretty cool. You know, we got the helmet, we got the cardo set up, and we got Eddie from LEDs and Bags over here. We are about to hit the road. So we're gonna end up going through Knoxville. So we may stop in Knoxville, but we're gonna end tonight in Lexington, Kentucky. And then tomorrow we're gonna head from Kentucky up into Milwaukee, so that way we're there and we're ready for Friday for the homecoming. Eddie, you ready for this trip, man?
I'm ready. Let's get it.
Yeah, we about to get out here and crush some miles and hope we don't get crushed by storms. Fingers crossed, people. Fingers crossed. We ended up having a quick detour. So we are in Asheville right now. It says some roads were closed and it brought us through the city. So we pulled over real quick to hydrate with some Powerade because it started to get hot. And we topped off the bikes real quick, but we're about to get back out here on the road and make our way to Knoxville. We're about 2 hours away from Knoxville, so it shouldn't take too long to get there. But yeah, we'll check back in then. All right, so we just pulled over to the side of the road, and I'm about to get ran over by an 18-wheeler. Yeah, I need to stop just standing in the middle of the street. So we were on the bike. We just went through Asheville. We're up in the mountains, and I smelled rain, saw dark clouds, and I don't know if y'all can see that behind me, but it's definitely about to rain. We checked the radar, so we got on the moon suits, and we're about to hop back on the highway and make it to Knoxville. So yeah.
Infinit Ryda.
All right, so we had an amazing ride. I'm gonna show y'all what happens when I end up doing the navigating. Welcome to Man of War, Harley-Davidson. I should have been letting him lead the way. Yeah, I don't know where we are. So we're about to head into Lexington, but hey, it's part of the journey. Getting lost, or it ain't. Shit. So even though we got lost and we ended up getting here too late because they're already closed, we still swung by Man of War Harley-Davidson. I love this dealership. It is an amazing setup. If you're ever in Lexington, Kentucky, definitely check it out. They got this cool mural down below. I don't want to go down there because they were locking the gates. I don't want to get locked up down there and can't get out. But yeah, but we're about to find a hotel. There's a whole bunch of them around here. So we could call it a day and get something to eat because I'm about hungry.